Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Samsung S10. So to this operation you have to get the USB cable, plug it into your computer. So plug in. Then you have to press and hold volume down, Bixby and power button together. After the phone will turn off, you have to press and hold volume up, Bixby and power. After you see the logo, release power, still holding volume up and Bixby. So let's get started. Volume down, Bixby and power. Keep holding. Volume up, Bixby power. Release power, still holding volume up and Bixby. And wait. Release all the power, or the button, sorry. Now volume down to wipe data factory reset. Accept by power. Go down, accept by power. And now your phone gonna be resetting. Now reboot system now, accept it, and voila, you have done the hard reset of your Galaxy Samsung S10. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!